Hi, I thought I'd do a quick review of this new toaster oven I bought. It's a Black & Decker 8-slice extra wide convection countertop toaster oven. I got it from Amazon and the price was $39.99. So this is the toaster oven right here. Now I've had this toaster oven for a number of years. It's also a Black & Decker, but all of the writing is gone off of it. It still works fine, it's just not really big enough for our purposes, so we decided to get a bigger one. And so I got this one, which is plenty big enough. It's big enough so that a glass baking dish will go in it without any problem. I also purchased, to go along with it, this cooling and baking rack as an additional rack, and it fits just fine. There we go. And it does have convection. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on and see if we can cook some fish in it. So now my oven has reached its temperature. It's at 400 degrees. It took about 5 minutes, which is perfect, and I'm ready to put my fish in. I've taken my new baking rack and I sprayed it with oil and put my fish on it, and these are supposed to take about 20 minutes, so let's see what happens. Something that I've noticed that's different with my new toaster oven versus my old toaster oven is this one had a little button here to turn the fan on so that it would work as a convection oven. And this one has the fan running all of the time. According to the instructions, I guess, it's just going to be a convection oven. So that's okay. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes. Timer just dinged. It only makes a little teeny ding, so it's not a lot. And it looks like the fish is done. So we're going to take a look at it. Ooh, nice and crispy. So the fish came out perfectly done, nice and crispy. The crust is nice. They didn't stick to the wire rack. Of course, I sprayed it. So I would say this is a success.